welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to make egg mayo sandwich in 3 ways. Here are the ingredients. First, we're going to boil 8 eggs because we are going to make 3 egg mayo sandwiches. Then, peel the hard-boiled eggs and mash them. Mash them just until they're chunky, not even close to smooth. Then add Lady's Choice real mayonnaise. Sprinkle with pepper and salt and then add in some spring onions. And mix well. Slice 1 egg in half, place on top of the bread, then fill in with egg mayo. Place the other loaf on top, then slice into 3 equal parts. Add a dash of pepper and some spring onions on top. It's now ready to serve. Next, let's do the tonkatsu egg mayo. First, refry the tonkatsu until golden brown. Spread generous amount of egg mayo on our breads. Add in thinly sliced carrots. Add in the tonkatsu, lettuce, then fold, slice into 3 equal parts again. Add a dash of pepper and some spring onions on top. Then it's now ready to serve. Now let's make our ham and cheese egg mayo. Again, spread a generous amount on top of our bread. Then place the ham on both sides, add in the cheese, add in the lettuce, then fold. Slice into 3 parts again. There you go, our ham and cheese egg mayo. Presenting our egg mayo sandwich in 3 ways. It's time to eat! See you on the next video!